This is the outcome of the eyelash and my eyebrow. I don't know why YouTube will give me a copyright after my hard work. Like, I was creating my content, minding my business. No, I didn't copy anybody. What I created there, the content I created was, in fact, my daily life. No copyright. I don't even have, it's not even a luxury life. Let me say, maybe I copy someone. I didn't copy anybody. And the music I use there is a non-copyrighted music, which I've been using most of my videos without copyright. But this time they decided to give me a copyright. I don't know what I did after my hard work. No problem, YouTube, no problem. Hi guys, good morning. I just came back from the gym. I'm still on my gym wear, as you can see, with the sweating and all of that. And I want to make lunch for my kids. I want to make abacha. So let's make abacha together. So guys, I want to carry you guys along. So here is the fish. I am frying the fish. This is the one I've fried so far. These are local spice. This one too. This is our seasoning. Here is my ogiri. I just brought it out from my freezer. These are pepper. This is the crayfish. I just pan toasted it. And this is the veggies. This is lettuce. I'll be making lettuce, okay, because my kids don't like the otazi leaf. Hence, I'm making use of lettuce. And here is our almighty abacha. So here is the abacha, like I said. So I didn't show the palm oil, so yeah, let's just dive into the cooking. So guys, here is the abacha. I'll be pouring hot water on top of this.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much.
So I'm going to sieve it immediately. Here is my sieve.
Day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me.
So this is what our abacha looks like.
There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby,
Very, very hot.
There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, who I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
So I'm going to be pouring it inside this pot.
Oh, yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. Wanna show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh, yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this
This thing is so freaking hot.
smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess the house can lie, and it feels so bright. It's like a
my palm oil, and this is a new abacha I'm actually making. So in the clean pot, I'm going to pour my oil. This is a very nice oil from the village. I'm going to go in with these spices. This is a combination of ehuru, uda, all the local spices in short. And here is pepper. Oh, anyways, it poured here. So this is the amount I'm going to use. This is dry pepper, fried pepper. It's dry pepper, then you fry it and then pound it. Here is seasoning. Going to be adding my salt. Let's add more. So let's go in with ogiri. So I'm going to turn it all together. So this is what it looks like. I need to make that ogiri very well. So I'm going to test it. It is super good. So let me start pouring it into the abacha. So I'm going in with all the mixture. I'm going to use part of this place to pack it up. And here is our crayfish. I'm going to go in with the crayfish. Should be not this kind of things where they make man see ya. And me. This kind of things where they make man see ya. And me, I think I need to use my hand. My nails, but I have to use it. I was trying to protect it, but no. Yeah, I'm done. So guys, this is all for our abacha. This is how we used to make it. Our local this is African salad abacha. Okay, this is the pattern that Enugu people used to use. Okay. Guys, it's so delicious. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please, your comments are very important to me. Okay, write a comment down below. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Infinity, yo. Put it in. Come on, you guys, this is the color I want. Like, this my black, I like it, but it's too dark again. It's too dark. Like, I want the spotless, pimpleless black. I can shining black color, but if I'm not able to achieve it, I'll definitely go back to the cream I was using before. That one doesn't maintain this black. Okay, I'm actually at the car wash, car park. I know, sir. Nan, sir, nanko. Okay, njaga banjue. Okay. So yeah. So you guys, like I said, I'm at the car park. I want to go and fix my eyelash and probably curve it a bit, and then I'll be making cornrows with my hair all today in the market here. Yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you guys the outcome. I don't know if I'll be filming there, but I'm sure of showing you guys the outcome. Yeah, so guys, this is the outcome of the eyelash and my eyebrow. As you can see, yeah, I also carved my eyebrow, but this thing is beginning to fade away. It's not as dark as before. Though I have not made my hair, I might be making my hair on my way going home, or I may likely leave it like this till tomorrow evening. Yeah, because today is Saturday. So I just want to update you guys. This is what my face looks like. I hope you love what you see. So please comment it down below. Okay, yeah, so that will be all for now. Bye guys. Guys, you people should warn this girl. Warn this girl. Glory, say hi to my fans.
Hi, friends.
I'm making my video and she's distracting me. Like, who does that to her boss? Who does that to her boss lady?
I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.